Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set multiple prices per product in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply for this case, we are going to need some extensions or plugins. And you can just go to your WooCommerce and go to extensions. And after that, you will be needing to search for dynamic pricing. And after that, we will find the mini extension that would add this feature to our store. And you can either choose this dynamic pricing or any other uh, extension, and they will all do the work. And in my case, I'm just going to use plugins, and I'm just going to click on add new plugin. After that, we are going to search for dynamic pricing for WooCommerce. And simply, we need just to wait for a while so we can have our search results. And simply, I'm just going to use this one. And if we click here and we go to the screenshots, we can see these rules or how it is showing for our uh, plugin. So I'm just going to click on now or install now. And after that, I will be activating these plugin. So let's just click on activate and we will have our WordPress that will be refreshing, and then we will be finding or we will have our plugin that will be added to our WooCommerce store. So now all we need to do is just to go to the pricing rules here in WooCommerce, and you can add your pricing rules. For example, you will have many products discounts, or you will have a bulk discount or a bulk price. You will have many prices, and you can add this rule however you like, and you can add them on any products that you would like. So here you can add your rule, and then you can start applying it to any products that you have in your product list. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.